Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to show you two ways to make the same amount of money. You can even do more ways than this. In your math book under the model and draw, there are two ways to show 30 cents. One way was Matthew's way, and another way was Alicia's way. So let's look at these two. Under Matthew, it says count the cents, start with the dimes. And just to make sure we remember our coins, dimes are small. They have a value of 10 cents. So I'm going to put a 10 on each dime. Nickels are actually a little bit bigger, but their value is less. And that's one of the things that's a little bit confusing. But nickels are each worth 5. Now Alicia has a quarter. Quarters are 25. They're bigger and they have more value. And here's another nickel, and the nickel is worth 5. Okay, so Matthew's way, we'll start counting with the dimes because we always start with whatever value has the most, whatever coin has the most value. So 10, 20, 25, 30. And then Alicia's way, we'll start counting with the quarter because the quarter has the most value in her coin set. So 25 and then 5 more is 30. Now, if Matthew traded 2 dimes and a nickel for a quarter, they're both worth 25, he would have Alicia's way. If Alicia traded her quarter for 2 dimes and a nickel, then she would do Matthew's way. So there's two different ways to show 30 cents. All right, let's look at another example. 61 cents. So in your book today, you're going to want to write two different ways, and they give you two big areas here to draw your coins in, two different ways to make 61 cents. Where are my circles? The first way I'm going to do is I'll make an easy one. I'll do dimes and pennies. Dimes and pennies I think are easy because it's like tens and ones. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So 61 would be 6 tens and 1 1. So when you get stuck, you can always think about it just like we did place value in the last chapter. And when you draw your coins today, I want everyone to start putting how much each coin is worth in the middle. Instead of the letter, let's do the value in the middle. It'll help us as we go into the next few lessons. Okay, so 6 dimes is 60 cents, and then I'll need 1 penny to get the 1 cent. So I can kind of think of this as like our place value lessons. 6 tens and 1 1. Oh, I made my own mistake there. Let me fix this. 1. 6 tens and 1 1. 61. That's one way to make 60 cents. Now you could trade one of these coins for 2 nickels. You could trade 2 of them for 4 nickels, and you'd still have the same amount, and you'll have to draw it over here. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do 2 bigger circles and make them quarters. So 25 and 25 gives me 50. I'll need a dime to get up to 60, and then just 1 penny to get to 61. I could do my running total right underneath there to double check my work. 25, 50, 60, and 61. I like the running total. Okay, so there's 2 different ways to make 61. And you have several of these to do. Okay, so when you're drawing your coins, make sure you put the value of each coin. We'll know that the 10 represents a dime, the 1 represents a penny, 25s represent a quarter, and I didn't use one, but a circle with a 5 is a nickel. All right, good luck today. How do I stop my video? There we go.